908, that's the perimeter. On the east side, I'm the calm storm. Guess I'm something like a limiter. Yeah, I'm something like a limiter. She too much, I got a limiter. While me and bro in the back, yeah, sipping goose, no Canada. Sipping goose, no Canada. Sipping goose, no Canada. I'm the truth, let me show the proof. Looking super clean, no janitor. Super clean, no.
What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Stevie D with GSG Reviews. And what I got here for y'all today is another banger by Drip Talk. Yeah, you heard it. Drip Talk. You feel what I'm saying? He got a bunch of sales, weekly deals going on, weekly sales going on. So I suggest y'all go check them out. And if y'all like anything, if y'all not getting anything from the weekly sales and y'all buying some regular items, y'all could use code GSG15 for 15% off. You feel me? You heard. Now, before we get into the video, like I said, I got my I know I started it kind of early, but it was strategic. Is something I'm trying to do and test out. So, you know, help me get my subscribers up. Like, comment, subscribe, share, promote if you can. Let me shout out my alpha generals, generalettes, alpha male and alpha females in the building. You heard. Help me up. Get to my 2,000 subs. You know what I mean? And I can start giving this stuff away. You feel me? Y'all already know what to do. And by the way, I'm going to put a link pin up from my TikTok if y'all want to follow me on TikTok. And any future giveaways and things I'm going to be doing, y'all going to have to start following my TikTok and Instagram. You feel me? So, yeah, that's what that is. You feel me? The TikTok is at Green Stack Gems, but it's missing. The stack is missing, I think, the A. So if you spell stack, it's just green, STCK gems on TikTok. You feel me? You heard. Help me get to my 2,000 subs. Promote me. You know what I mean? Support your boy if you can. Without further ado, let's get to the video. What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Stevie D with GSG Reviews, and what I got here for y'all today is another banger like I said in the video. So without further ado, let's get to it. It's an unboxing by yours truly. You know what I mean? Drip Talk jewelry. You feel me? You see that nice wrap tissue paper with the Drip Talk logo? Let's get into it, man. Y'all already know he always got great packaging. This man has upgraded his packaging time and time again, and he never disappoints. So boom, you already know this is like a holding case, plastic casing where you can keep your jewelry fresh, your pendants, your necklaces, or anything you buy from his site, driptalkjewelry.com. You know what I mean? Drip Talk. You feel me? That's a good look. You know what I mean? He's thinking about the people, making sure y'all keep your pieces protected at all times. You know what I mean? You know what I mean? Just, you gotta press it in, boom, and bang. There you go. You know what I mean? Clap down. That's where you hold your piece. Now look at this box. You already know. Nothing we haven't seen before from him. You know what I mean? But he's constantly upgrading his box. Nice white box with the Drip Talk logo. You know what I mean? Pull tab box. You know what I mean? This is a great presentation. And he gives you an extra, you know what I mean, little holding case. Yo, Drip Talk. Good looking, man. This is a good presentation. Shout out to you, man. Alright, so let's pull this out. As y'all already know, with every purchase you make from Drip Talk Jewelry, look at me struggling to pull it out, you get a wristband, different color wristband, and he always has his, you know what I mean, his logo or promoting his site, driptalkjewelry.com. Y'all can hand these out. YouTube Drip Talk 23, you know what I mean? Hand these out or wear it on your wrist just in case your baby moms are stressing you out. You could pull on that, you know what I mean? Or if you want to promote your boy, you know what I mean? Give these out to people that want to ask, yo, where'd you get your drip from? You know what I mean? You know what I mean? You just give them this, give them this wristband, you know what I mean? So they see the YouTube, they see the YouTube, and they see the site. Ain't no forgetting it, ain't no mistaking it. Good looking Drip Talk. We appreciate that. This is for all the drip soldiers out there. You feel me? This is for y'all. Alright, let's get this out the box. Got a nice little dust pouch with that Drip Talk logo, white to match the box. Feel me? Gotta like this presentation, man. He does not hold back, and he's upgraded his packaging time and time again. He's still fairly a new company, and I mean, I think he's been out for maybe going on 2 years now. Forgive me if I made a mistake, if I'm wrong. You know what I mean? Forgive me, but I think he's only been out maybe 1.5 to 2 years, and his packaging has changed time and time again and only gets better. So I know what y'all want to see. Let's stop messing around and let's get right to it. Boom. You saw that? Boom. Pop that open. Let's pull this out. Oh, sorry. I'm making mistakes out here in the streets. Boom. Here goes the piece. You can see already through the plastic, and you already know what I feel about plastic. I'm not going to repeat it this time, you know what I mean? Because essentially you already know. It's for the protection of the piece itself. And bam, here goes the piece. Let's take it out this plastic. 2 seconds. Give me 2 seconds. Forgive me for the non-visuals. I give y'all the dust pouch and a box to look at, you know what I mean? While y'all wait. Slid right off, you feel me? And bam, let's look. This is the Hustle Hard pendant. Oh man, look at that. Look at that. I don't even know if we got to do a shine test on this, because you can already see them baguettes and them 5ACZs. And yes, they are 5ACZ certified. You know what I mean? All shining and grinding for another day for you to go out and show people what you doing. Hustling hard. Oh man, and I ain't even get to the good part yet. So before I get too excited, you already see the cage back. See that nice size bell. I'm going to give y'all a visual on the chain so y'all can see what it looks like. This is a 2-tone piece. Rose gold and white gold, obviously, with 5A stones, CZs, and 5A baguettes in between them things. I know y'all see that shine factor. That thing is hitting hard, let alone hustling hard. Yo, this thing is hard. I'm not even going to lie. This thing is hitting like crazy. So I already know what y'all want to know. Hey, yo, Stevie D, man. How much is that thing? That thing looks crazy. Well, I have y'all know, and I don't want to make a mistake, I believe this is 100 or 120 on the site. But guess what? He got a new thing. He just started a few to that effect called weekly deals. Now, this is where I come into play to tell y'all what that's about. His weekly deals is he picks several items, 3 to 4 to 5, maybe more items that sit in his collection, and he puts them on sale for 30 to 50% off. And this is one of them. So I suggest before they sell out, y'all go hurry up and go to driptalkjewelry.com, you know what I mean? And go see what he got on his weekly deals, you know what I'm saying? Weekly sales or weekly deals, forgive me, you know what I mean? This is a part of it, and look how hard that thing hits, man. This thing is ridiculous, you know what I mean? If y'all stay to the end, we will weigh it. I will shine test it, you know what I mean? I don't know if we should diamond test it, but maybe for entertainment purposes only, you know what I mean? You never know. These 5ACZs hit so hard, they look like diamonds, in my opinion, and they glisten like crazy. I know y'all see it, man. Look at this thing, man. Look at this thing. But like I said, I think this is 120 on his site. But if you go on there, he got everything on his weekly sales, weekly deals section of his site. You know what I mean? And with that being said, he got items going from 30 to 50% off. So I suggest y'all go take advantage of that right now before he sells out. Because I got me one. I got my hands on one, and I don't think I'm giving this one away. So if I do, it's going to be a long time, because I got to rock this thing. This thing is hitting like stupid. You feel me? You heard. You know what I mean? Go check him out, man. Go check out your boy Drip Talk, brother. This thing is stupid. This thing is retarded. And I will have visuals around the neck. You feel me? Check this out one more time. Weekly deals. Oh, yeah. And just in case, you know what I mean, you missed the weekly deals on certain items, you could definitely use my code GSG15 to get 15% off at the end at your cart at purchase. You know what I mean? He also used Sezzle. And I don't want to misquote, but I also believe he has Afterpay as well. And what that means, you can take your item, put it in a cart. Those two apps will definitely break your payments up to 4 different payments. You make your first initial payment, and off your product goes. You heard? You know what I mean? You know what I mean? So he got Afterpay, he got Sezzle. You know what I mean? I'm not sure if you could use it with the weekly deals. I'm sure you can, because he's not going to miss a sell. My man is a hustler. You feel me? So go get yourself one of these pendants, man. Stay to the end so you can see a visual around the neck. All right? Not much more I can say about this thing, man. Not much more I can say about this, man. This thing, I just don't even want to stop looking at it. This thing hits like stupid. You feel me? 1, 2, 3. I'm out. So one thing I forgot to show y'all is that it comes with a free rope chain. I think all his pendants come with free rope chains or free chains with it. So that's included in on the price. You feel me? Right now, what I got here for y'all right now is on the neck, matching that Drip Talk Jewelry Hustle Hard pendant with the Drip Talk Jewelry cluster chain. You feel me? And they're both rose gold, so it hits crazy stupid and really hard. This is on the neck. These are 5ACZ, so we don't expect them to hit. We only testing them because it's for entertainment purposes only, and for whatever reason y'all like when we test out jewelry. But if it hits, man, it hits. If it don't, it is what it is. Still 5A. What I got here for y'all right now is we're weighing the piece. Sorry for the bright light. I didn't realize it was gonna come out this bright. But anyway, we weighing it. It comes out between 41 and 42 grams. So there you go. It's roughly a heavy piece on the neck. It looks heavy. It feels like quality. So yeah, between 41 and 42 grams. So what I got here for y'all right now is the on the neck with the Hustle Hard Drip Talk Jewelry pendant matching with the Drip Talk Jewelry cluster chain. As you can see, this thing shines in a light. If you're in a club or doing some extracurricular activities at night, this thing is gonna hit like crazy. You know what I mean? Let me know what y'all think.